Hey there, are you feeling overwhelmed by the world of car insurance? Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle to understand the ins and outs of car insurance. But it doesn't have to be that way. Today we're going to unlock the secrets of car insurance and learn how it works. Let's start with the basics. Car insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. It's designed to protect you from financial loss in the event of an accident. When you purchase car insurance, you pay a premium to the company, and in return, they agree to cover any damage to your vehicle, as well as any related medical expenses. Now, there are several different types of car insurance coverage. Liability insurance is the most common, and it covers damages and injuries that you cause to other people and their property. Collision insurance covers damage to your vehicle from a collision with another car or object. Comprehensive insurance covers damage to your car from other causes, like theft, fire, or hail. It's important to know that the amount of coverage you have affects your premium. The more coverage you have, the higher the premium. But don't skimp on coverage to save money. It's better to be safe than sorry. Now that you know the basics of car insurance, you can make an informed decision about the coverage you need. With the right car insurance policy, you can protect yourself and your vehicle from financial loss. Thanks for watching.